Nice. Good evening, everybody. Slot Lizards in the house. We are at the Bighorn. I like that major. That looks good. Eyes of Fortune is hard for me. I have tried. Dia's in the house right now. I have tried on this game and tried on this game. And I like the Tiger. I just don't know what the deal is. We have tried. I hope I speak its language tonight. Ooh, there was a couple hangers there. There we go. Hopefully that's the language of the Tiger love. Yeah. But we're gonna find out. Let's do this. Close, but that's all right. We'll continue on. The language of the Tiger love. Rawr. Language of the Tiger love. 2. Ooh. Let's try this. Okay. I like that. Ooh, we just need 6 of you. Okay. Nice. A little something. Something again. Let's keep it going. Come on now. Oh, I saw the major. Yeah, we'll take that major on a 750. Come on, major. Ooh! Nice! Kind of feeling like this right here. Ooh, come on! Do it! You went by! $55. Oh, it went by here and here. Oh, don't go by again. Come back to us. Major! Major! Those jimmies aren't showing. We want those jimmies to show. Those are good jimmies. Oh, that's a good jimmy too. Wow, those are big. Major again. Come on. We're slapping that thing down. Oh, they all went by. Ooh. 5. Do it. Oh. Okay, this time. Come on, Fortune. You know what? Nice. Bring it back. Maybe tonight. Yeah. Oh, nothing. Winner. All right, we are back. Let's try this. Oh, it just went by. Come on now. Come on, baby. Not showing. Okay. Come on, Major. Come on, Major. Nice. The gems are not sticking. We want those gems to stick. Nice. Come on now. I know you're there. Wow. 2 more. Come on, baby. Okay. Oh, so close. Nice. Nice. We'll take it. Here we go. Yeah, all of them. All of them. Come on, words. Come on, stick one more. Uno más. Do it. Do it. Do it. Come on, baby. We got some room. Uno más. Do it. Ah. All right. All right, can we see it? Pow. That's what I sat down for. We're gonna let it count. We're gonna enjoy this. It's about the ride. It's not about the destination. That is fun. I am very happy right now. I have a big smile on my face, everybody. I like seeing that. It's fun. Your turn is next. Oh, you're going to. You're lucky, you know why? Because you're alive. And that's, you gotta look at it that way. And when you look at it that way, you're gonna hit things. I promise you, you will. I want that for you. Yes! Everybody. Yeah, that was a good one. I'm pretty happy. Thank you. All right, everybody. We are going to need to do some paperwork. Oh, and there's no music. Well, normally there's music. So no music, but that's all right. That was for $1,831. We'll be back. All right, everybody. We are back. Let's see what happens. Let's see if we get a back-to-back. Come on now. There you are, fortunes. Show me your love. Let's do it. Oh! Do it, do it, do it. Winner. Oh, it was hanging out right there. Here we go. Do it. Winner. Ah, no love on that last one, but that was awesome. And I hope everybody's having a great 2023, and it's going to be spectacular this year. Everybody, you know it, and you can feel it. I hope you're crushing it out there and getting a bunch of jackpots. Take it easy.